Are you ready for a 1 Minute Wednesday? Well, let us take you to a spot where we're going to get an Adventure Lab location for a 1 Minute Wednesday. One lab location.
1 minute.
Cue the title.
Start the clock.
Go!
I work at McDonald's looking to get started, please.
Yeah, can I get 2 medium Diet Cokes and a large French fries? Sorry, what? I couldn't understand a thing that
Just
she
say
said.
it again.
All right, thank you. So the reason we're here at this 1 Minute Wednesday is Sierra Vista, Arizona had the first McDonald's drive-thru in the entire nation. In 1975, the commander on Fort Huachuca, I don't know if that's what it says, said no military personnel could get out of their cars in public. So the manager of Sierra Vista McDonald's knocked a hole in the wall so the soldiers could drive right up and purchase their food. You are about to see the plaque that commemorates this event. No, actually, you're going to see us get some Diet Cokes. You too, thanks. Diet Coke? And we got it in 3,
2,
1, done. He's not just another pretty face, and he is quite tall, but he was the first speaker for the very first drive-thru. Right there, you had to talk into his pocket. So that's why we stopped for some Diet Cokes.
some fries.
Yeah, at the very first McDonald's drive-thru.
And it paved the way for drive-thrus all over.
There you go.
Keep watching, there's more caches to be found.
And lab locations. Where will geocaching take you?